Step back in time as you wander the cobblestone streets of Tallinn's Old Town, a UNESCO World Heritage Site since 1997, which has remained largely unchanged since the 13th century. Think only about the adventure in Estonia and never about obtaining a visa to Estonia. Follow our step-by-step guidelines, starting by keeping these documents ready. A passport which should be valid for at least 3 months beyond your Schengen exit and have at least 2 blank pages. A complete Schengen visa application, 2 recent passport-size photographs, a travel medical insurance valid across the Schengen area with a minimum coverage of 30,000 euros, a travel itinerary which includes your flight reservations, accommodations, etc., bank statements for the last 3 months, 2 years of ITR, 3 months of salary slips, an NOC from your employer, and business proof if you are self-employed. Self-employed, retired, or applicants who are minors may be required to provide additional supporting documents. The list of documents is mentioned in the description box below, so you can refer to it before replying. In order to ensure you have all required documents, pause and take a screenshot of what you'll submit. The list of documents is mentioned in the description box below, so you can refer to it before replying. Now that your documents have been settled in one place, follow these steps to apply for an Estonian Tourist Visa easily. Open the Atlys app or website, search for Estonia. Verify your phone number by entering the one-time password or continue through Google. Enter your full name and mention whether you are traveling solo or with others. Select who is going to sponsor your trip. Select your marital status as well as your current employment status. Enter your current address or use our autofill feature by simply searching your address on the map. Enter your passport details. Enter your employer details. Choose an appointment date and your nearest appointment center. Then choose your tentative travel dates and the countries you plan to visit. These can be updated later as well. Finally, make the payment and you're all set. From here, an Atlys visa expert will step in to assist you with all your paperwork. On the day of your appointment, you will just need to arrive at the visa application center, provide your biometrics, and submit the prepared documents. The standard processing time is 15 calendar days after the embassy or consulate receives your documents. You can apply at least 3 months before your planned travel dates, and we always recommend planning in advance. Once your visa is approved, your passport stamped with your Estonia visa will be delivered right to your doorstep. Now let's discuss some common questions that you may have about getting an Estonian visa. Am I eligible to visit other Schengen countries with my Estonian Schengen visa? Yes, you are eligible to visit all 29 Schengen countries with your Estonian Schengen visa. Just make sure you enter Estonia first or stay in Estonia the longest. Can I land in Finland or any other Schengen country first with my Estonian Schengen visa? Yes, you can enter Finland or any other Schengen country first with your Estonian Schengen visa. Keep in mind, however, that you will be required to stay in Estonia for the longest period. How long can I stay in the Schengen area with my Estonian Schengen visa? You can stay in the Schengen area for a maximum of 90 days in any period of 180 days. Apply at least 4 to 6 weeks before your travel date, especially during peak seasons like summers, June to August, and December holidays. Always book your appointment in your city of residence. You can check appointment dates on the Atlys appointment tracker linked in the description below. If you have given Schengen biometrics in the last 59 months, you may not need to submit them again. Double check that your flight bookings, hotel reservations, and financial documents match your travel dates. Carry sufficient funds for your trip. The embassy will review your financial records against your planned itinerary and accommodations. Apply with Atlys, link in the description.